Hello everyone, it is Erin Flutter here, and I am here doing an unboxing for you all today. So I am looking at the quarterly subscription box from Archer and Olive. They do this once a quarter. You can get billed automatically. If you haven't joined the program, you can use my affiliate code or my affiliate link to purchase, and that helps me out. But codes are not available on the subscription boxes. So let's go ahead and jump on into the subscription box. This was paid for me, but this was paid for by myself. Archer and Olive did not give this to me. So I did already unbox this for a reel. So you'll see things are a little bit I tried to put things back how they were, but you can see like things got ripped in the process. But anyways, so we have some little die cuts here. This is the Amalfi Coast very summer themed kit. So we have a lot of summer themed items in this particular kit, which is fine by me. This is one of my favorite color palettes. It's like really bright yellowy green, and then like blues and yellows and things like that. So I'm totally fine with that. Orange is not as much my jam. So we have these die cuts here. Let me move my coffee out of the way. This wax seal and wax set makes me so excited. So I've done wax seals before. They are honestly so much fun. This is a little summer themed. Let me see if I can like balance it out. This is a little summer themed. So you have like the little slice, the lemon, the little flowers. So basically what you do in this case is you use these wax candles. You light them and then you let the wax drip onto the envelope or whatever you are using it for, and then you put the wax seal on it while it's still hot, and then it cools and forms the shape of the wax seal. This makes me so excited because I just and I'll preface this entire box by saying, for people that are just interested in notebooks, the subscription box is probably not for you. I have this conversation with people every single time because this subscription box is how Archer and Olive likes to test things out, to push the boundaries, to see what folks are interested in the stationery world. So if you are just looking for a lot of notebooks, that's not necessarily what you're going to get. If you're looking just for a lot of pens, that's not necessarily what you're going to get. Although each box does say that you are guaranteed at least a notebook. So just want to put that out there that this box is meant to excite people and look into other stationery things as well as notebooks and pens. So we have the wax seal set. Again, I love wax seals, so that doesn't bother me at all that this is in there. We have the washi tape. So this again is very Amalfi Coast. So we have this washi tape, which is so unique. It has a lot of different patterns. If I can do this. Okay. It has a lot of different patterns. So you have this section that has the lemons. You have this section. You have like some more mosaic tile types of sections. And then you have another design here. So it has a lot of different sections, which I really, really enjoy about this, because then you can create a lot of different types of, I'm a mess. You can create a lot of different types of spreads. So if you wanted to have it just as one washi tape, totally fine, but you can also, you know, section this out as well. So I love the idea of that type of washi. I haven't quite seen anything like that before. I'm not exactly a washi connoisseur though, so Don't mind me if this is done a lot in washi tape. Washi tape is not something that I go to a ton. Okay. And then we have this one as well, which is split into the two. Y'all, I don't know if I can keep rolling these out. I have gel nails, so they have a very blunt edge, which is not the best for doing this. So you can see it has like a little design in the middle with some dots and like a little like flower diamond type of design as well. So with this like peachy color and yellow, bright yellow. We have, what is that, oranges? We have oranges as well with some floral designs. It looks like that's all the same. And then I'm always I love simple designs. So I love this pattern with the blue and the white and how it's like, it looks textured because of how it's separated. So that is the washi tape. So let me just stack this over here. Oh, see, I open things. Then we have the acrylograph. So it comes in a set of 5. We have the yellow. These don't have color names on them. So this was probably in development prior to them doing color names. We have the pink. We have an orangey peach. We have a light blue, and then we have a royal blue. So these are the colors that are available in this box. I have not looked to see if these are unique to this box or if they are the same as other boxes. I would have to double check. You know, because their colors are similar, but they have slight differences. So I'm not sure if those are new colors or not. And I will try to double check and put something on the screen. Now we have a journal cover. So this is for a traveler's notebook, which you can also see in the preview. We have a traveler's notebook here. So I'll go ahead and show you how that works. So we have a little pocket, so you slip your journal into there, and then you can close it. So let's go ahead and take out the traveler's notebook, which these box designs are absolutely gorgeous. And I would be remiss if I did not use this traveler's notebook in one of my next setups, because it is absolutely beautiful. So you would slip this edge in here. Maybe I should have done that first. Maybe I should have done that first. I mean, honestly, you can do it like this. You don't really need to put the other edge in. I am not great at covers. I don't use covers often. Yeah, it takes a little bit. There we go. Yeah, so you should be putting it in this side first, because then you can slide it all the way in, versus this one that there's no room, there's no give to keep going that way. And then, hold on. There we go. And then button it up just like that. Absolutely beautiful. And the quality is absolutely gorgeous. So that is the journal cover and the traveler's notebook. It is a white dot grid notebook. I think it's their normal like 144 pages, something like that. And then, oh my God, this tin is so cute. I love this tin. It is so cute. And I would definitely be using it as a decorative tin. Absolutely. But one of the things that I love about this, again, I love things that push the boundaries. And I am a big person that likes cards and notebooks, and I really enjoy sending letters to people and things like that. So I love that they included these little cards. So we have Hope All is Swimmingly Well, and I think all of these are blank inside. So we have a couple of Hope All is Swimmingly Well. We have Orange You Amazing, and I love the dad jokes. That gets me every time. We have You're the Zest, because orange zest, lemon zest. You are spectacular. I'm sure people had fun looking up these dad jokes. And scooting on by to say hi. So those are so cute. I love those. And then we also have some doc grid paper in here. So we have, and I mean, y'all know doc grid paper is my absolute jam these days. So we have the light blue. We have like a grayish blue. And I know that they said they're not going to release gray paper because of, that's like pretty much in the realm of the citrus bindery, something to that effect. I'm sorry, I'm really bad with names. We have the yellow, we have the orange, and then we have the pink. And I love doc grids. So it is blank on one side and doc grid on the other. And then obviously envelopes to go with the notepads or with the cards. So I love that, and I love that I could use this tin for cards in the future, because I'm one of those people that I'll pick up multiple birthday cards even though it's not anyone's birthday, but that's just how I am. And then of course your big ticket item is an A5 doc grid. So let's go ahead on in here. Again, the art on these boxes are just beautiful. I have such a hard time like doing anything with them. So I have a big stack of boxes because I finally took all of my notebooks out of the boxes, and now I need to figure out what to do with the boxes. They'll probably be storage for something, but anyways, so here we have the little scooter design with the florals, bright yellow. It has a matte edge, and then it is white doc grid paper as an A5. So absolutely adore this. So that is the whole subscription box. Let me know your favorite items down in the description below. My favorite item is probably the TN. I love this design. It is beautiful. And that's the only problem with covers for me, and why I don't typically use covers, is because then I'm sad. I don't get to see the beautiful art in the front. So probably the TN is my favorite. And then I'm always a sucker for acrylic crafts. And then this tin. Oh, so in love with that. And I like that. I know that they do take in a lot of feedback, and I like that some people are not as into the things like cards and not as into coloring sheets and things like that. So to have it in a decorative tin that people will find use out of is very nice. So I mean, there are a lot of people that like these things, but you can't have, I mean, you could, but it would be a lot more expensive, a box of just notebooks. That's why they do their mystery boxes, because those have more notebooks in them. But the subscription box, again, is meant to kind of dabble in things that they want to dabble in. So I love that they're taking feedback and also including things like tins. That way it has some functional use after you finish all the letters. So anyways, that is the subscription box. I hope you like this video. Let me know again what your favorite item is down in the description below, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.